There's no coolant in our overflow bottle because of this. This is a pretty common failure. They start to leak and you lose your coolant. So real quick, we'll replace it with a new one. The crazy thing is we can't get this from our local auto parts store. We'll have links in the description. We can buy it from Amazon. Let's replace it. With a pair of pliers, we'll remove our clamp, pinch down on it, we'll pull it back and wiggle it off. There, just like that. So on our new one, this little plastic clip, it pops off like that. So we want to pop off this one here with just a flat screwdriver. We'll push out on it. That removes our clip. And then we'll twist and wiggle this out. There. If your entire housing assembly is bad, we can pull off this clip down here and then this whole thing will come out. Just depending on where yours is broke. You can purchase this as well. There's an O-ring inside, will pop out. We're reusing our base. I just got a new O-ring. We'll slide that on just like that. Slide it in. It should go all the way down and you'll kind of feel it snap into place. There, just like that. Put our clip back in. So if you have to replace your base, that's how you do it. With our new upper piece, we'll just put that in. We can put a little dielectric grease on our O-ring or some kind of lubricant. It'll slide right in. Put our new plastic retainer on. That's it. Pull it up just to make sure everything's locked in. And you're done. Now we'll put our hose back on. Just like that. Put our clamp on. And that's it. Now we'll fill our coolant bottle up to the full mark. Now this system is self-burping, so if you lost a lot of coolant, that's okay. Just keep filling this up until we get to our max line. Now we'll start it up, let it warm up, then we'll turn it off, let it cool, and top off as needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.